Showtime! Showtime! Got a whole shot. That is Delia Corta. Delia Corta and also Pigeon Adela. Champion Munao for the second. First, Malihan na sila, dirt niya. Alam tayo na po. Hop, hop, hop. Sige lang, kay Dermin niya magyapon ng gaykan at ibuha magyapon na. Champion Munao second. First, that is Delia Corta. Third, Pigeon Adela. MX Legend for the starting gate, and also ladies 14 years of age for the waiting area. And get ready for open.
Ulang Chate. This is Power Enduro Final here in Karkar, Cebu. Leading it's McLaren Delia Corta. Wow.
Chati Agbo now for the second place.
Second, Chati Agbo.
Sana mag-break kami na yan si Delia Corta. Napakalayo na Chati Agbo. How about Pigeon Adela for the third?
Pigeon Adela on third. Willow! Alah, nana si Pidjo sa likod, chat.
Alright, here we go. For the MX Legend, so starting gate na kayo. So leading the race for the Open Enduro, that is Delia Corta of Honda. Followed by Chati Agbo. Chati Agbo from Thailand, Bukidnon. Riding for Motorways, riding for Dirtmania, riding for...
Breakaway, McLaren Delia Corta. Grabe, layo kayong kontra, bay. Nasa dito pa ditong kontra, oh.
Nadela now for the second. Humahabol si...
Allah! Nilupad! Sika na po sa atin.
Holding the first. Delia Corta.
Allah! Oops! Ay, sika na po si Pidjo na nila. Puro up, 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 up. Willow!
Okay, one more lap to go. White flag,
White flag. Wow.
One more lap to go for the Open Enduro.
Wow. So, waiting for checkered flag, McLaren Delia Corta. White flag. Oh.
So, muna itong Power Enduro. First, second, third, second sila.
Waiting for checkered flag, McLaren Delia Corta. Wow. Champion. Second, Pigeon Adela. Third, Chate.
Third, Peña Motorways. And Catiboy. Third place. Balay, Bukidnon. Okay, we have here bike number 33, Boss Routing. Bike number 109, Attorney King. Bike number 926,